Guacamole, the luscious avocado dip. Guacamole is a traditional Mexican dip made from ripe avocados, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime juice, and seasonings such as salt, pepper, and sometimes chili peppers. The name guacamole. Guacamole is a versatile and refreshing dip that can be enjoyed in many ways. It can be served as a side dish, an appetizer with tortilla chips, or used as a topping for tacos, enchiladas, a. There are numerous variations of guacamole, with some recipes incorporating ingredients such as garlic, jalapenos, or even fruit like mango or pineapple. However, the traditional Mexican Mexican cuisine offers a vast array of dishes beyond tacos, enchiladas, quesadillas, and guacamole. Here are a few more popular and traditional dishes that showcase the richness and diversity. 1. Chiles rellenos. This dish features large, mild chili peppers, typically poblano chilies, stuffed with cheese or a mixture of meat and vegetables. The stuffed chilies are then battered. 2. Tamales. Tamales are a traditional Mesoamerican dish made from masa, a dough made from corn, filled with various ingredients such as meats, cheeses, vegetables, or fruits. The filled. 3. Pozole. Pozole is a hearty Mexican soup or stew made from hominy, dried corn kernels treated with an alkali meat, usually pork, and a variety of spices and seasonings. The dish is. 4. Sopes. Sopes are thick, hand-shaped corn masa cakes that are fried or grilled and then topped with various ingredients such as beans, meat, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and salsas. 5. Mole. Mole is a complex and flavorful Mexican sauce made from a combination of chilies, spices, nuts, seeds, fruits, and chocolate. There are many regional varieties of mole with so. 6. Elote. Elote, or Mexican street corn, is a popular snack consisting of grilled corn on the cob slathered in a mixture of mayonnaise, sour cream, and spices, and then rolled in crumble. These are just a few examples of the countless dishes that make up the rich tapestry of Mexican cuisine. Each region of Mexico has its own unique flavors and specialties, ensuring that there is always something new and delicious to discover. Sopes are a popular Mexican dish that are typically served as a snack or appetizer. They are made by forming small, thick circles of masa dough, corn dough, and frying them until they are go. The word sopes comes from the Spanish word sopa, which means soup. The dish is believed to have originated in the central region of Mexico and has since spread throughout the country and Sopes can be made in various sizes, but they are typically about 3 to 4 inches in diameter and have raised edges to hold in the toppings. The toppings are often a combination of savory and spic. Sopes are often served as street food and are a popular choice for outdoor markets, fairs, and festivals. They are also commonly found in Mexican restaurants and can be customized to suit in. Here are some additional details about sopes. The masa dough used to make sopes is typically made from nixtamalized corn, which is a process of soaking and cooking dried corn kernels in an alkaline solution, such as lime water. Sopes can be topped with a variety of ingredients, including shredded chicken or beef, chorizo sausage, diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, avocado, sour cream, and crumbled cheese. Sopes can be served as a main dish or as an appetizer. When served as a main dish, they are usually accompanied by rice and beans, as well as additional toppings and condiments. Middle dot. In some regions of Mexico, soaps are known as palaiscadas or picaditas, which are similar in shape and size but may have slightly different toppings or preparation methods. Middle dot. Soaps can also be made with other types of dough, such as wheat flour or masa harina, which is a type of dried masa dough that can be rehydrated with water. However, traditional so. Middle dot. Soaps are typically served hot and fresh, and are often enjoyed with a cold beverage, such as a Mexican beer or a refreshing agua fresca, a fruit-infused drink. Conclusion. Mexican cuisine is a delicious and diverse world of flavors, textures, and colors that has captured the hearts and palates of food lovers around the globe. Tacos, enchiladas, quesadillas, and Thanks for watching. A culinary journey through Mexican cuisine, tacos, enchiladas, quesadillas, and guacamole. Food introduction. Mexican cuisine is a vibrant and diverse culinary tradition that reflects the rich history and culture of the country, with its unique blend of indigenous, European, and African influences. 1.